This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Why aren't your Project Slayer codes working? There can be multiple reasons why your Project Slayer codes aren't working. The most common issue is if you are typing the code incorrectly. Even if you mistype a single thing in the code, it will not work. So, make sure that you type the exact code as written above or on the Project Slayer socials. Secondly, another reason for codes not working is if they are expired. You will get a prompt that tells you if a code is expired or not. Plus, if you are typing a code that you have already redeemed, it will not work. So, make sure that you type the code only once.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in the